12 interesting scientific and religious facts to know about Ram Setu. 1. The studies of oceanography suggest that the bridge is 7,000 years old. 2. The carbon dating of beaches near Dhanushkodi and Manor Island sync with the date of Ramayana 3. The bridge was passable on foot up to the 15th century until storms deepened the channel. Some records suggest that Ram Setu was completely above sea level till 1480 when it was broken by a cyclone. 4. The bridge is 48 kilometers long and separates the Gulf of Manor from the Palk Strait. 5. Ram Setu is also named Adam's Bridge, Nala Setu, and Setu Banda. 6. Ram Setu is taken as an archaeological and historical evidence of Ramayana. 7. The bridge was first mentioned in Valmiki's Ramayana 8. When Bhagwan Sri Ram reached the end of Bharat Bhumi, he prayed to Samudra Dev for a solution to cross to Lanka 9. Samudra Dev mentioned that 2 Vanars, aka Nal and Neel from his Sena, have a boon where if they throw a stone into water, the stones would never sink. 10. Upon hearing this, the entire Sena started writing Prabhu Ram's name on heavy stones, while Nal and Neel threw them into the water to create a bridge. 11. NASA images and presence of floating stones in the area are compelling pointers to the historical existence of Ram Setu Bridge 12. At this beautiful place, one could gaze upon the chain of reefs, sandbanks, and the islets that almost connect Sri Lanka with Bharat. Here is an interesting video about Ram Setu, the true symbol of love.
Passes over the
Jai
shallow
Shri
waters of
Ram.
the Indian Ocean. It sends back images of a chain of largely submerged objects running between Sri Lanka and India.
Looks like a string of pearls between 2 islands.
It looks to me like a rocky jetty, but this thing looks pretty big.
On closer analysis of the satellite image, investigators calculate the line of rocks is over 30 miles long. What makes the image especially intriguing is that the rocks are in an area of sea mentioned in an ancient Hindu poem. A poem which also refers to a magic bridge.
They're Hindu legends that the god Rama placed a bridge here connecting India to Sri Lanka.
The stones in the satellite image are sitting on something oceanographers call a shoal, or sandbar.
These occur in an area where there's shallow waters, and sand could accumulate between the 2 land masses.
The sandbar may be natural, but what's sitting on top of it is not.
This isn't just a simple sandbar. There's objects in here that haven't been eroded away.
There are stones that have been brought from afar and set on top of our sandbar island chain.
How these stones got here is a mystery. And when a team of geologists date the stones, the mystery deepens.
The rocks on top of the sand actually predate the sand. So there's more to the story.
Scientific analysis reveals the rocks are 7,000 years old, but are sitting on top of sand that is only 4,000 years old. These results suggest the structure in the satellite image isn't natural, but built by humans. Some scholars believe the ancient texts refer to a time 5,000 years ago. At this point in history, building such a long bridge would have been a superhuman achievement.